Wonder Boys.
So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Welcome Benguet Province. Ngayon ay, anong oras na? 11:06. Nandito na tayo sa Lion's Head, Baguio City. Ba't iniwan yung bukas? Pasukin tayo dito. Yes, naglalakad po kami ng 1:25 AM dito sa Session Road. Yan. Ang ganda nung na-stayan namin na lugar dahil malapit sa lahat. Philippines Chicken Food House, Kaliskes. Wala nang night market, uuwi na kami. Nakakapagod, nakakahingal pa kaya. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Mirador, Loyola Vista de Baguio. Entrance. Ganyan kalaki yan.
Ganda ng puso. Akala ko bato.
Oh, there's a lion.
Si Kai.
Wow! Isaiah also. Picture Isaiah also. Pungpurupok.
Ang lamig dito. Tapos, andyan si Lebron. Dito kami umakyat ni Aki. Tapos, sinalalayan ako ni Kuya Nunoy. Dito, kasi sabi niya, ba't ka pa umaakyat dyan?
Saan ka makit yan?
May pahingahan din dito. Dito kami nagpahinga dati. Pa-picture tayo dito. Ito ay Manresa Rocks Garden. Nakakahingal umakyat dito sa Mirador. Tapos may kasama kang bata. May mga ginagawa pang building dun, oh. Ang init na kasi tanghali na. Maganda dito umaga.
Wow!
Mirador, Bamboo Grove. Ano, akyat ba o baba na tayo? Akyat daw. So ito yung inaakyat namin ngayon papuntang Mirador.
Stone.
Tapos ito, nandito na tayo sa Our Lady of Aranzuzo Rocks Gym.
May, dyan picture mo.
Ito, nandito na kami ngayon sa number 7. Akyat pa kami. Hindi ko lang sa papunta kami, basta akyat kami. Okay.
I'm gonna get the big one.
You want to get the flower?
Yeah, the
You don't get the flower. Someone will get angry to you. Because that's not our flower, okay?
okay. Where's the flowers coming from?
From the plant.
Orange flowers. So many orange flowers.
So many flowers there.
The orange one.
The orange one.
But was find the family.
Family.
Yeah. Over there.
Ano, nasa likod mo yung
Oh, for orange flower. I want the flowers. So many orange flowers.
So many orange flower. Andito na tayo ngayon sa taas.
Look, this a yellow flower.
Weh, so many flower.
Different color.
Ay, naon niya ba ko ah?
Are you tired? No.
No. Oh,
You're so strong.
this is look different from the other one.
That leaves.
Yeah, what has happened to the leaves?
I don't know.
Maybe
Maybe what?
they come.
Yan, malapit na daw tayo sa Bell. Konti na lang. Ganda ng view dito, oh. Yung anak ko, nag-e-enjoy din yung 10 months old kong baby. Nung si Aki, nung pumunta dito, 11 months lang siya. Ay, 11 months, 6 months. Tapos, si Kai naman yun, 10 months. So, nung unang punta ko dito, di ako nakaakit ng bell. Ngayon, nakaakit na ako. Nakakaakit na kami. Ang ganda ng mga pine trees. Yan. Ito mga saints. Tawag dito sa ano to, saints of, basta, Garden of Saints yung tawag. And Garden of the Saints. So, puro saints yung mga nandito sa patwalk na to. No, just that saint is Isidore Labora. Mama Mary.
Ay, doon kayo sumakado.
So, ito daw, Ifugao houses. Tapos, pababa na kami ngayon sa the Mirador Peace Memorial. Sana pababa na wala ng paakyat. Nakakapagod. Oh, ganda dito, may well, oh. Yan. Bakit sumortcut tayo?
Ayaw mo punta ng way?
Ayun yung bell.
Way? Dito yung daan doy. Tutulong ka dyan. Ayun ang daan doy. Doy.
Ito pala daan. Akala ko tatalon tayo. Charot.
Mal!
Jacobs wishing well.
Give you a Isaiah also. Throw ako. 10 pesos. And Aki also. 10 pesos. Throw. No, not the rock. Throw the rock. Throw the rock.
Here.
Oh, only coin. Oh, I will tell you. And 1, 2, 3. Yay! About Joy also 10 pesos. Aba. Throw there, aba.
Give me. Give me.
Throw aba in the water. Boom!
Galing.
Aba, ay, don't touch the water.
It's a,
Isaiah.
Get the coin. Let's get the coin.
No.
Why?
You get angry. 1, 2, 3.
Give me. Isaiah. Give me. Give me.
No, there's one. No, there we will put a coin there. I want to become a pilot.
Pilot. I wanna.
You want to become? I want to become a
I wanna become
engineer.
engineer. Wow.
Aba, want to become a porn star.
Give me.
No, meron pa doon. Galing.
It's a bonfire. Jesus. Bonfire daw yan. Come here na. Don't find an insect na.
I want another one.
Well.
What's the one? What's the one?
Said you want to go to dinosaur.
Namin ang Mirador. Papunta na kami ng Lourdes Grotto.
At doon kami mag-iitot.
Gago, simbahan.
Ay, sa bambay.
Pupunta na kami ng Lourdes Grotto. Dito nga pala ang start. Papunta ng Lourdes Grotto.
yung fall down.
Andito na tayo sa Lourdes Grotto. Picturean kita. Akit na tayo na Lourdes Grotto. Saan sila Aki? Nagsinding na ng candle. No. Wait for daddy. Daddy first.
I'm on fire.
Here. Okay, put it all here.
What?
Put it there.
No.
You need to put it there.
No.
You need to pray to Jesus. Pray for the good health.
I don't
For
like
the
to
blessings
put it
every
down.
day.
Because I want to hold it.
For guidance.
No.
For all the blessings.
I don't like to put.
You need to put it here.
Why?
Fall down.
Now it's on the fire.
Me one for blue.
No.
That's not a toy.
Kayak ka.
Fire.
Galaro ng apo yung isa. Come here. Give it to me. That's for Jesus here. Not put that in the ground.
No. Fire. Mommy, fire.
We're going down na. Okay, we're going down na.
I want to go.
Tapos na kami sa Mirador. Kakain na kami ng lunch. Natapos na namin ang Mirador at nakapunta na nga kami ng Lourdes Grotto. Ngayon ay pupunta na kami ng Strawberry Farm. Tapos doon na kami kakain kasi tanghalian na. Mag-aalauna na talaga.
For what?
Gutom na kami. Here. Go inside the car na, come on. Nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Strawberry Farm.
Ay, sayang mo. Bukbro ko.
Kakain muna tayo kasi alauna na. Pa kami kumakain. Mas malamig talaga pagkain. Gabi na din. Order na kami ng food. Tapos andito na kami sa Strawberry Farm. Kumakain kami ng
Sayang.
brunch. Kain muna kami. First day natin ngayon at nakadalawang location pa lang kami. Dahil umalis kami ng bahay 10 na. You're happy now? Because I bought you a toy. Picture tayo. Nandito na kami sa Strawberry Farm at anong oras na? Dito pa lang tayo sa Strawberry Farm. Nakakadalawang location pa lang tayo in today's video.
It's $2.
Ito. Picking.
Daddy.
Ate, oh.
Buko siya, malagkit strawberry.
Wait. Oh, ate, oh. Wait. Ate, ikaw dito.
Ito pa, oh.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Magkano yung ganda? 150 ma'am.
Bili kami 2 pig. Strawberry 2 pig.
Oh. Try niyo muna.
Wow!
Wait lang. Babayan ko. 260.
Thank you, Dayo. Thank you. Ay, bakit mo kay Aki yan?
Okay, oh. Look, oh.
You know that, Aki?
You know this?
You know that?
Gagawin ba nyo kaya?
Ano ka dito yun? Kasi
Pero may ibang design pa kayo ng ganyan.
Do you want that?
Kaya sa ganito nyo kuya. Ashtray.
2.5. Yung malaki.
Daddy,
Yung maliit, 1.5.
Dito rin nasa bahay nung.
Oh.
Isa, may samurai.
If you don't buy the lobster in the squishy, we will buy that frog eh.
I want the lobster. Where's the squishy?
This is my bag. Aba!
Aba! Yay!
Wow!
Are you happy? Kasi natin mo dahil. Ewan po, kasama pa.
Igorot Kingdom! Ooh!
I want you to take the picture.
Ah, ganito pala yung loob. Ang daming tao.
Mga lobster, lapit ako sa kamay picture.
So, sana ngayon?
Siguro tatayan po dito, monster. Sawad na kayo. 50 pesos lang. Sawad na kayo dito, monster. Together.
Nandito kami ni Achoy sa Igorot Kingdom. At ayaw niyang magbone. Yung dalawa ko. Yung dalawa kong bago.
Bila!
Oh, there's a bike, oh. May bike doon. Yung bike. Nakita niya. This is our third location for this day. Igorot Kingdom.
Okay, your turn will fall down there.
If your toy fall down, you cannot get it.
And then I go down there.
So you can get it.
And then I go to you there.
Huh?
Then I wonder.
Look, oh, you have sipon. Eh! Sipon na siya, sipon. Kiss mommy. You happy you have a lobster?
Yeah.
Who buy that?
Mommy.
How much is that?
$2.
$2. We have $1 here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
$2.
That's $5.
It's $5. How much? $5.
Oh, Jackie. Happy.
Wow.
Look at here. Look at here. Smile, ha?
Smile, ah. Are you happy?
Oh, smile,
Yeah,
Jackie,
tigidig,
smile.
tigidig, tigidig,
Smile.
tigidig, tigidig.
Are you happy? Smile.
Yeah. Yeah, tigidig, tigidig, yeah.
Look at the camera, Pogi.
Pogi!
Kuya.
Saya naman, saya.
Wait lang. Dami ako mga picture.
Wow!
Smile.
Smile.
Smile!
Wow.
Pogi! It's 5:08 na ng gabi. Andito tayo ngayon sa Diplomat Hotel. Ayan. Madilim na. At least, may napuntahan pa kami isa. Hanggang 8 pa daw sila ng gabi. So, mag-iikot-ikot lang kami dito.
Ano mo, nag-picture sila?
Ano? Ano pangalan ng
Wow, that's a
kabayo namin?
No, that's a cool one.
Moonlight.
pa?
Moonlight.
Moonlight! Hello, Moonlight!
It's more one.
Black cat.
Hi,
Ay,
Moon. Oh, is it a forest? What horse is there? What horse go there?
Asan yung asawa ko? Mama, hindi ko matapos yung
I'm just going there. I'm going there.
Yeah,
Why?
going there.
Because the horse is there.
Yeah, we're riding on
Horse.
horse. Are you happy riding a
Oh,
horse?
where am I going?
We're riding a horse.
Pamuntayin nyo na lang sila.
Where am I going? Where am I going?
Riding a horse.
It's moving?
Yeah.
Why? Because it was now.
Yay.
Then it become not wasted.
Are you happy?
Yeah. What's a horse? Tita Dahil, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Well, I'm very fast.
You're very fast.
Yeah. Oh, what's that the clock?
Yeah.
She cool. Why is it riding on a horse? Why is it riding on a
Hold,
horse?
hold here. Hold.
Woo! Look at the high. Look, this very slow. It's very fast.
Hold.
Saan? Turo mo kayo. Turo mo.
Mommy, look.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Ay, aba. Kay.
Nice. Sila ang mga hasyendera at hasyendero ng Baguio. Naku, si Bidoy. Naku. Bibiling kabayo yan. Oh, ang dami. Strawberry po. Yan. Akit po kami sa hagdan po. Hawak namin si Aba. Natulog.
Kung nagtagal pa tayo, hindi ka talaga tayo.
Grabe. Pagod na ako maglakad. Doon kami pupunta sa Damasio. Tapos ang daming tao doon pa lang. Paano kayo magpipicture niyan? baba. So, nandito na kami sa The Mansion. Picture kami.
Ate, bye-bye!
Take care of that, yes? Slowly.
Wow! So, dito kami sa Christmas Village at wala kaming kaagaw.
Pack the bags, the kids in tow. It's not easy, but still we go. Through laughter, through the tears, we're building stories for the years. Every mile, every step we take is a memory we'll never break. Not just moments passing by, but treasures shining in our sky. We're making core memories for the love of family. Even when the road feels long, together we are strong. Someday you'll look back and see Mom and Dad showed the world to me. God's creation, wide and free, forever in our hearts it'll be.
Lang. Galing ah!
Bike si Aba!
Galing mag-drive ng baby ah! Jing 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 jing! Galing ah! Driver! Pagyak putak! Hindi na tayo makausad! Haliko!
Making core